Alright guys, today we're doing an unboxing. Finally, we have our GoPro accessories and a couple of extra things I bought. So let's go ahead and get started. What I ordered is this little replacement for the clip on the original GoPro housing. There it is. It's aluminum. That's one of the reasons why I bought it. Cool. About 2 extra batteries. I heard some good reviews about this one. It's pretty much just like the OEM factory GoPro battery. USB plug for the wall. This comes with a 2.1 amp, which is recommended for charging your batteries. Seems to be about a yard long, maybe a little bit smaller. This you connect to your USB and then you connect it to your wall charger. Here comes the 2 little extra batteries, and they're just like the GoPro and car charger. Now on to the main one. The first things first, we're going to start off with the wrist strap. It has a little bit of a friction to it, but not too much. On your wrist and like that. And that's it. So I mean, I guess what I would recommend this for is if you're bicycling, you know, you got your GoPro here, face it towards yourself if you want. You face it towards where you're going, scooter. Second, we're going to go with this clip, which is actually really heavy duty. This is really strong. Like, I can like clip this to probably anything and it won't go anywhere. Put this on your backpack, put this on your hat, clip it wherever you want to put it. But this goes around your GoPro just like the factory housing kind of does. It also comes with a clip where you can use this mount. So I tightened it kind of almost as far as it can go, and it's still loose. So next up we have this tripod, which you can also use as a selfie stick. It's not that bad. I mean, for a GoPro they're not that heavy. This comes with a screw, just like a regular tripod, and the accessory for that is in this kit, so we'll check that out. I'll show you guys something great about this tripod. It has a little tab here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It has a little tab. You press, and it's a quick release. So if you press it while you have your mount on here, for example, you can take it off. Kind of dangerous if you accidentally press the button and you're walking around with it. This is the suction cup mount. The suction cup on this I heard is really good. Let's see. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. The only thing that you can't do is turn it like 360. Alright. So this bopper doesn't feel, I mean, it feels like I can give it a good hit and it will break. This one has a way better grip than the other one. So then you can attach this to it. And you got your bobber. And it'll float too. So if you do drop it in the water, this will float up, and it's yellow, so it's very easy to spot. If I were you, when you get these pieces, I've heard some customers complain about losing them or mixing them up. I'm not sure if they all go together. These are a lot longer, obviously, because they need the housing, and the housing is a little bit longer, so you can twist it without any problems. You cannot have a housing and a small little screw thing, so you will need one of these long ones anytime you use a housing. So these clips feel really good, actually. They're really hard plastic. Oh shoot, I want to stuck. I'll grab it. drill. Let's see if this will do any help. That did it. There you go. Alright. So you can mount this on a bike. You can make this as big as you want. It looks like, oh, I don't like these. See, these are, I don't know if you can see that. These are kind of like parallel this way. Then it turns because of the little clip that we have in the middle. It turns parallel this way, so it's giving you a 90-degree turn. So that can be good and bad in some ways. Bad because maybe you don't want that 90-degree turn, or it can be a good thing because maybe you don't want to have it facing forward. Maybe you want it at a 90-degree angle facing the right side or your left side. So this is the exact same thing, except this one's a little bit smaller. It's about 3/4 of the size of this one. So this actually doesn't even go in this housing. The hole from the housing does not reach the holes in here to put it on. Oh, that one's so simple. Look at that. Maybe it was just a screw. Oh wow, that's nice and tight. That's good. He also sent us a selfie stick. I don't know what you call this. Selfie stick, so you can do it for close ranges, or I don't know. You guys decide if this is good or not. So what you can probably do is just put them a little bit closer to each other. And that would probably get rid of some of that. Okay. We'll get rid of some of that. This has a screw type of mount. So you can screw your GoPro. What's really cool about this is it has a little screw thing just like the top here. Has it on the bottom. So what I'm going to see if I can do is find a way to connect this little bobber to this, and that way we'll see if it floats. That'll be one of our next videos. We also have here a chest mount. This is really cool. This is so cool because you can get a first person point of view. I'm going to try this on right now. So it looks like you just unbuckle this here. This is not right. This is not right. There you go. I had it upside down. Okay, let's try this again. Not bad. Alright. Look at that. This is actually really cool. And if you make this looser, it'll come down more. But I'm going to keep it high. So when I do something with my hands too, it will kind of grab it. So in order to use this chest strap, you will need this piece, and it is included in the kit. Awesome accessory. It feels very, very good. Good quality. Good quality. This is the head strap, which also is made of the same material as this chest piece. You can feel, I don't know if you can see that, it's shiny. This is grip. This is so it won't slip out of your head. This might not grip on my head. I mean, it might pull my hairs, but it's not going to grip on my head. I have a full head of hair. So if you're bald, it'll grip on your head. It also has it in the front, so behind where you mount the camera here. It also has it all on the sides, has it on the back. Now let me see how this fits around my head. It feels a little tight. Obviously that's adjustable. That's it. And this is also really cool because anywhere you're looking, this GoPro is going to look in. So with this strap, if you really don't like this top piece, all you got to do is swing it down, and in the middle, as you can see right there, there's a little slanted line where you can take it off. And I'm going to take it off because I'm probably not going to use that top piece. Good. So also included in this kit are 5 of these oval shaped clips. This one is straight, so this one will be going on any flat surface. 5 of these square shaped clips. As you can see, these are curved, so you can strap this on your helmet. In order to put those mounts onto a surface, you will need these adhesive. These are double-sided adhesive, 3M VHB. These are really good quality. They will stick on there. They will stay on there. They're not going anywhere. Included in your kit are going to be circle with a screw on the bottom mount. All you gotta do is screw it on and mount your GoPro on there. You get 2 of these. This will allow you to get your GoPro and have more leverage to turn it. And especially since you're gonna have your chest mount, you don't have a lot of room. This is like a flat surface here. So when you put this in, you want to have that extra room to move your camera up and down, because you don't want to miss a shot up ahead because you can't get your GoPro to move up. So this will help you do that, and this will fit on here just like I did with the other one with a buckle type mount. So you get 2 of these. So you'll get 4 extra screws. So also included in this kit is a really helpful tool. This is supposed to help you turn it. So if you tighten it too tight, this will help you, or if you want to tighten it a lot tighter, it'll help you tighten it tight. So I bought this on Amazon, and for this kit it was a LifeLimit Accessories starter kit for the GoPro Hero, and then this is 515. And this was $24.99, so this is $25. This is a really good price for the things that I got, but this does not include the charger and the little extra clip that I got. My Wasabi 2 battery card and wall charger USB was $18, $17.99. This replacement was $6.73. Weird number. I'm going to be using all of my GoPro stuff soon, and I'll put out a video of how I use it, so make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you guys want to see that. I will see you guys next time.